If you are a gamer and an investor, you want to stay tuned for this one. What's up, you guys? My name is Jose and welcome back to the IPO Nerd, the best place to learn about new companies going public and how to invest in them. America's #1 IPO news channel. So today we're going to be looking at MOGO Global eSports IPO that is happening on 7/26 next Tuesday, guys, July 26. So make sure you drop a like, subscribe to the channel. But as always, before we begin this video, let's make sure that we look at the stock market trading news for the week. All right, so this week we had jobless claims rise again in another sign that the labor market is cooling. Initial claims total 251,000 for the week, up 7,000 from the week before. All right, so the unemployment rate is, starting or is beginning to rise. Also, we got Netflix loses fewer subscribers than expected, around 970,000 subscribers during the second quarter. That's a smaller loss than they were expecting, right? They were projecting 2 million subscribers to be lost this last quarter. This is good news for Netflix. The whole business model is kind of like slowing down due to competition and everything in prices. That was your stock market trending news for the week. So today we are talking about MOGO Global eSports. MOGO will organize and facilitate competitive events in India and from 6 other Asian countries and promote their participation in global events. We develop eSport themed championships and event trademark merchandise. Here's your IPO details. All right, guys, so the company was founded in 2021. They have 12 employees, a very small company. They're looking to raise $17 million during this IPO. Their share price is going to be anywhere from $4 to $5 per share. Like I said before, the IPO is happening on July 26th, next Tuesday. And their ticker symbol is going to be MGAM. I'm going to leave this up on the screen for a second if you guys want to take a screenshot. This is a pretty brand new company, guys. And that was your IPO details. Are you an IPO nerd? Join my Patreon for extra perks and shout outs. Also, learn how to create and promote your own brand with my marketing masterclass, available now. Link in the description. All right, so let's check out the MOGO website, right? The biggest university on esports. They have competition in Apex. They also sell merchandise, as I mentioned before. A pretty cool company coming out of India, right? They organize these types of tournaments. Now we're going to scroll down real quick so you can see kind of like the divisions that they had. The Central Division, Southern Division, Northern Division, and Western Division. I'm going to leave a link in the description below. If you want to learn more about these types of tournaments, they do have right there the little areas that they cover. They also have a League of Your Own championship, Valorant of the Hunt in the Southern Hemisphere, Benedict University, and more. What I do know is that here in a minute, we're going to look at the S1, and you're going to see that the company has no revenue in the last 3 months. That's because they haven't had any actual events planned or whatever. But if you go over here on events, they do have an event that you can register for right now that is upcoming. Today is July the 23rd, so you can actually register for this tournament right here on Battlegrounds Mobile India, right? So Midnight Madness. Fun today until the 27th, until next Wednesday. You can register right here and you can compete and maybe win a prize. Now, when you click on the register the event, it'll tell you right here that they do have a registration fee, right? Which is like 50 rupees. And the prize is going to be 5,000 rupees, right? For the winner. So pretty cool company, right? They're doing events and stuff like that. If you're a gamer, that's what I said at the beginning of the video. You'll probably be very interested in looking at this company and, participating in this IPO. We're going to look at the numbers here in a minute, but I just want to show you real quick their website so you can see that, they are a small company, but they are a pretty cool company. All right. You can shop for merchandise so you can represent. And their mission is to be the first mobile gaming company in India and other South Asia countries, right? For aspiring universities, eSports, by providing students athletes one of the biggest eSport platforms. So their target audience is more like university students, right? And people that are going to college. And eventually their goal is to actually develop, organize, conduct, and monetize esports worldwide. And they're going to start with India and South Asia, and they're going to try, to spread around the world. So a very cool company, but it's all about the numbers, right? I'm sure that's what you want to look at. So let's look at the S1 numbers in the next segment I like to call By the Numbers. The company has a market cap of $113 million, $224,000 in total assets, $31,800 in total liabilities, so more assets and liabilities, I like to see that. $0 in revenue, as I mentioned before, and I explained why, right? $91,000 in net loss, so the company's actually losing money. They do need this IPO really bad, and $113,000 in cash and cash equivalents. So looking at their net loss and what it takes to, conduct operations on a monthly basis, they do have maybe a couple of months left that they can, be cash, use their cash and cash equivalents, but they do need this IPO and to raise some money. So that was By the Numbers. Here's your S&P 500 weekly heat map. All right, guys, so I do like what I see here. I like to see all this green. Oh, my goodness, look at that. In the technology sector right here, you can see Microsoft was almost up 4%, Apple almost up 6%, Google up almost 3%. Very good. I do like to see that. If you are a tech investor, I'm sure you're happy right now. Down here in the financials, you can see that Visa is up, MasterCard up almost 6%, and Berkshire Hathaway up 3.09%. Very good. Financials did very well this week. Also, moving on over here to the communication services and the consumer cyclical, you can see that Amazon is up almost 12% this week, guys. Amazing. I do love me some Amazon. Tesla also up for the week. And that was your S&P 500 weekly heat map. So guys, what can I tell you about this company? I do like how unique they are. They are doing something that no one else is doing out there. Putting events together, especially for university students and stuff like that. The gaming is like the hottest, the newest, and the greatest, right? Everyone wants to be a gamer. I got a little bit of stats over here for you real quick. According to their S1, right? Esports is the fastest growing sport in the world, right? Mobile is the fastest growing platform for gaming. So a lot of people are moving over to mobile, right, for their gaming. And then on the 25 is the fastest growing demographic for esports. So people that are, 25 and under. And we're talking about college students, really, right? And it took esports only 25 years to pass rugby and American football combined in worldwide viewership. So it's also a fan spectator sport, right? So you not only have to the opportunity to participate and prove your skills in every single game that they offer, but you can spectate and just join the fun and join the viewership and all that. So the more the company continues to grow and they continue to show their esports live events on television and streaming through media and all that, the more fans it will create. So very exciting news for Mobile Global's esports. All right, guys, and that was a quick rundown of the Mobile Global Esports IPO that is happening next Tuesday. Do I like the company? I do like the company. I do not like that they're not making any money, and all their revenue depends on whatever they can set up and throw these live events, right? So because of that, I'm going to have to give this one a thumbs down, guys. But that doesn't mean that the company is a bad company, okay? It's just that, for me, I'm just not interested as an investor, okay? But I do like gaming, and I'm a big gamer myself. I'm Call of Duty and Halo all day, every day, and I'm a big investor in new companies. So I bring you the information just, so you can learn more about the company. But that's just my opinion, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not investing in financial advice. So make sure you do your own research and let me know what you guys think in the comments below. As always, guys, if you like this video, make sure you drop a like, subscribe to the channel, but more important than that, make sure you take care of yourselves. And I'll see you soon.
I bring up the pain, Rickosaurus the main. I make the market rain like acid rain. An investing channel you ever know, ya. I take your girl, your house, your money, and leave you broke, son.